Drew Haynes. Next up, Drew Haynes. Yeah, you gotta get closer to the line. In the left lane. Drew Haynes. Stankovic with the win. Next up, Mike Bear, Johnson, and Travis Calvert. LeBourne was the win there. Calvert was the win there. Ben. Okay, we need Anthony Pierce and Dylan. Peace with the win there. Who's in the left? Boring in the left. Okay, flip-flop around. In the left and Boring in the right. It's up to you. Boring will take the win once again. The winners of the last. So we got Bear in the left, Peace in the right. And Peace with the win in the right lane. And Calvert, ladies and Calvert. Calvert with the win there. So we're going to run Haynes and Schaefer again. Haynes with the right lane. Used to put it there. Bias with the win there. We'll match up with Bias in the next round. Okay, next round we're looking for Anthony. He stalled out and he got it fired up, but he did win. Haynes with the win there. Best of 3. All right, Stankovic wins round 1. Flip-flop him over. Stankovic to the left, Haynes to the right. And we're all evened up now. Winner takes all. That's the way to end the night. Again, Haynes now to the left lane, Stankovic to the right lane. Right lane, Stankovic is your winner. Haynes will finish 2nd, and Houston will finish 3rd. And that is it for the evening, folks, for our